Right. Okay. Good morning to all of you. So last class in 3.3 exercise we completed up to 17 problems. Up to 17 problems. So in 16, 17 we used transformation 8 formulas. 16th problem and 17th problem. So see that 8 formulas. Based on that, we are doing some more questions. You have to listen. So you have to listen. Section A, need. Section A. So first one, 18th one. 18th one. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. It is equal to tan x minus y divided by x minus y divided by 2. So you take LHS value, prove RHS value. So take that LHS value, sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. It is equal to, so sin x minus sin y formula you have to apply. So what is that formula? 2 cos x plus y. You see that 8 formulas in transformations. So x plus y divided by 2 into sin x minus y divided by, so whole divided by cos x plus cos y formula. So 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by, so here 2 to get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled, so remaining, so cos of x plus y divided by 2, cos of x plus y divided by 2, both will be cancelled. So remaining sin x minus y divided by 2, cos x minus y divided by 2, sin by cos is tan x minus y divided by, so that is our solution. That is our solution. Note down fast. Note down. Next one. 19th one. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x, it is equal to tan 2x. Tan 2x. Apply same formulas. So transformations. So sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. So simplify this, cos x plus cos 3x means cos 2 sin x plus 3x divided by 2 cos x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by cos x plus cos y formula. So 2 cos x plus 3x divided by 2 cos x minus 3x divided by x minus 3x divided by 2. See that simplification. So 2 to get cancelled. Again cos x plus 3x means 4x. 4x by 2 means sin 2x into cos x minus 3x by 2, cos x minus 3x by 2, both are same values, you should cancel. So remaining denominator cos of x plus 3x means 4x. 4x by 2 means 2x. So sin x by cos x means tan 2x. So answer is tan 2x. Note down fast. Next one, 28. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. It is equal to 2 sin x. It is equal to 2 sin x. It is equal to 2 sin x. Take that value, sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. See here, sin x minus sin y formula you apply. So 2 cos x plus 3x divided by 2 sin x minus 3x divided by 2 x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by sin square x minus cos square x formula. So cos 2x we have 4 formulas. Cos 2x we have 4 formulas, right? So in that first formula is what? Cos square x minus sin square x. So here formula is reverse. So you take minus cos 2x. So you take minus cos 2x. Formula is reverse. So you have to take minus cos 2x. So 2 into cos x plus 3x divided by 2 means 4x by 2. So 4x by 2 means cos 2x into, so again sin x minus 2x. X minus 2x means x minus 3x means minus 2x. Minus 2x means, so minus 2x by 2 means sin minus x. Sin minus x is remaining. Whole divided by minus cos 2x. Minus cos 2x. Now see simplification. So cos 2x will be cancelled. So remaining in numerator 2 is remaining into, so sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. So minus sin x. So divided by minus 1 is remaining. So minus 1 minus 2 cancel. So remaining 2 sin x. Remaining 2 sin x. That is our solution. 2 sin x, that is our solution. Understand? Note down fast. Note down fast. Next one, 21. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. It is equal to cot 3x. It is equal to cot 3x. So take the LHS value, cos 4x plus, so you have to take here how many angles are there. So in numerator three cos values are there in denominator, 3 sin values are there. So angles you have to observe once. So 4x, so 3x and 2x is there. 4x, 3x, 2x is there. So which one we have to take a pair? So we are going to apply cos x plus cos y. Formula cos x plus cos y formula we are going to apply. So which one we have to take one pair? So we have to apply the formula. So here cos 4x, cos 2x you take one pair, means biggest angle and the smallest angle you have to take one pair. Suppose 4 values given means we have to take 2 to 2 one pair. Okay, so here 3 values given, so I will take biggest angle and smallest angle. So I will take one pair plus cos 3x. So divided by, similarly you take in denominator also sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. So it is equal to, you apply formula for first two. So cos x plus cos y. So 2 cos 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus cos 3x whole divided by again cos sin 4x sin 2x, you apply the same formula. So 2 sin 4x plus 2x divided by 2. So cos 4x minus 2x divided by 2 plus sin 3x. So applied formula. Next one, 2 into cos 4x plus 2x means 6x. 6x by 2 means 3x. 6x by 2 means 3x. Next, cos 4x minus 2x means 2x. 2x divided by 2 means x plus cos 3x divided by 2 sin 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x by 2 means 3x into cos 4x minus 2x means 2x. 2x divided by 2 means x plus sin 3x. So again you see in the numerator what value common? So cos 3x. Cos 3x common in the numerator. Cos 3x is common. Remaining 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x plus 1 is remaining. Next, 2 sin 3x in denominator. What value common? Sin 3x. So in denominator sin 3x is common. So what is remaining? So 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x, this value common, remaining plus 2 cos x plus 1. So in numerator, denominator, what value cancel? This value will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Cos 3x divided by sin 3x. So what is the answer? Cot 3x. So that is cot 3x. That is our solution. Understand? That is our solution. Note down fast. Note down fast. So you take one homework problem. You take one homework problem. Prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x it is equal divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x. It is equal to cot x. It is equal to cot x. So you have to do only this problem homework. So next question, example problem. Example problem. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x. It is equal to tan x. It is equal to tan x. Listen once again, same model problem. Listen once again, same model problem, all of you. So take the LHS value sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x. So write in that order. So sin 5x sin x minus 2 sin 3x divided by cos 5x minus cos x. Right? Now see that simplification. So I took these two one pair, I applied formula. What is our formula? Cos x plus cos y. So 2 sin 5x plus x divided by 2 cos 5x minus x divided by 2 minus 2 sin 3x whole divided by, so cos 5x minus cos x. You apply formula. So minus 2 sin 5x plus x divided by 2 sin 5x minus x divided by 5x minus x divided by 2. So 2 sin 5x plus x, 6x by 2. 6x by 2 means 3x. This is 3x. Again, cos 5x minus x is 4x. 4x by 2 means 2x. 2x minus 2 sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x divided by, so remaining minus 2 sin, so 5x plus x divided by 2 means 6x by 2. This is 3x into, so sin of 5x minus x means 4x. 4x by 2 means sin 2x. Is that clear up to this? Is it clear? You don't cancel these two. So it is not possible. So where you have to cancel, you should common numerator value, then you have to cancel. So you should common that value. What happens? So in the numerator what value common? So 2 is common, sin 3x is common. So 2 sin 3x is common. So what is remaining here inside? Cos 2x minus 1. Cos 2x minus 1. So whole divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin 3x. So sin 3x cancel. 2 to get cancelled. So remaining what? Cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus sin 2x. Minus sin 2x. Again, cos 2x formula. In terms of sin, you have to write. So, in terms of sin, you have to write cos 2x formula. So, 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 1. So, whole divided by minus sin 2x. Minus sin 2x. Now, simplify. 1 minus 1 cancel. And in numerator remaining minus 2 sin square x divided by minus sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Now minus 2 cancel. So sin x cancel. So what is remaining other than simplification? In numerator sin x, in denominator cos x. So sin by cos is what? Sin by cos is what? In numerator remaining sin x. In denominator remaining cos x. Sin by cos is what? Tan x. Sin by cos is tan x. Note down fast. Note down. Fast. Next one. Example. Show that tan 3x next to tan 2x into tan x, it is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x minus tan x. So you are going to put this value. Very simple question, you understand. So very important question in competitive also. Here you see, so the whole problem in terms of tan. Is it clear everything? So how many angles are there? So how many angles? 3x, 2x, x. Total 3 angles are there. So here I will take sum of 2 angles equal to any one. Sum of 2 angles is equal to any one we are getting, you have to check. So I will consider 3x equal to 2x plus 1. I will take like this. Is it right or wrong? So 3x equal to 2x plus x. So I used 3 angles. So sum of 2 angles equal to other one. So next the whole solution, the whole problem in terms of tan. So what we have to take? So take tan on both sides. Taking tan on both sides. Tan on both sides. So what happens? Tan 3x equal to tan 2x plus x. Tan 2x plus x. So apply tan 3x equal to, apply formula tan x plus y. Tan x plus y, right hand side you apply tan x plus y. So tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x tan 2x into tan x. Understand? Again what we have to do? Cross multiplication. Again what we have to do? Cross multiplication. So tan 3x 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. So it is equal to 1 is multiplied. So tan 2x plus tan x plus tan x. So left hand side you see tan 3x into 1 tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. So it is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. So then what we have to do next step? Next step we are getting the answer. So see how you are going to write. So this is completely negative value. Right RHS side. So left hand, right hand side, whatever is there, you bring into left hand side. So tan 3x. So this is bringing into left hand side means minus tan 2x. So this is also bringing to left hand side minus tan x. So it is equal to this whole negative value, right RHS side, what happens? Tan 3x tan 2x into tan x. So that is our final answer. This is very important model. Note down fast. Note down. Similar model. Now coming to that exercise problems. 22. Now coming to the exercise problems. Question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22. Cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x, cot x, it is equal to 1. It is equal to 1 we are going to prove. Cot x, cot 2x. So here you see how many angles are there. X, 2x, next 3x. So these angles only there. Same procedure. Whatever we consider in previous problem, same as it is you consider. Right? Consider 3x equal to 2x plus x. So then what we have to take here? So the problem is given in terms of cot. So taking the cot on both sides. So taking cot on both sides. So what happens? Cot 3x, it is equal to cot 2x plus x. Now cot 3x equal to cot x plus y formula already given. So apply that formula. So cot 2x cot x minus 1 divided by cot 2x plus cot x. So you apply that formula. Cot x plus y formula you have to check. Now cross multiply this. So cot 3x. So cot 2x plus cot x, it is equal to cross multiplied. So cot 2x cot x minus 1. minus 1. Understand? Now left hand side what we have to do? So cot 3x cot 2x plus cot 3x cot x, it is equal to, so cot 2x cot x minus 1. Again what we have to do? All cot values write one side, constant value write one side. So here minus 1 is there, you bring into here, so 1 is equal to. Again, so these all cot values write RHS side. So what happens? So first value RHS side cot 2x cot x, so this value minus cot 3x, again cot 2x minus cot, this value also, this value positive, bring into the right hand side means negative, minus cot 2x, sorry cot 3x cot x. So verify your solution once again. So 1 is equal cot 2x cot x minus cot 3x cot 2x minus cot 3x cot x. It is equal to 1. So the problem is same as it is above problem. Okay, na? These two problems are very important in competitive point of view also. Note down fast. Note down. Note down fast. Right, very good. Next one, 23. Next one, 23. Tan 4x it is equal to, tan 4x it is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan ratio 4 x. So we are going to prove this value. Very simple question. So it is based on tan 2x formula. So tan 2x formula we already simplified. Tan 2x, what is our formula? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x, that is 1 minus tan square x. So using that formula, you have to take LHS value. What is our LHS value? Tan 4x. So tan 4x can be written as tan of 2 into 2x, right? 4x means it can be written as 2 into 2x. So now substitute that formula. So tan 2x. So in x place what we have to take? In x place what we have to take? 2x. So 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. 1 minus tan square 2x. Right? Again, tan 4x means you can write 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Right? So after that, tan 2x formula we have to substitute. Again we have to substitute. So 2 into tan 2x formula, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x means the tan 2x value substitute. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Again we have to expand tan 4x equal to simplification. You have to take equal to here. You can take equal to here. So numerator value 2 into 2 4 tan x 4 tan x 4 tan x 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by this is 1 minus, so here 1 minus 2 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. So LCM is what here? 1 minus tan square x whole square. So what is remaining? So LCM 1 is multiplied means 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 2 square 4 tan square x 4 tan square x. Now simplification you do 1 minus tan square x cancel. So this will be cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 minus tan square. This 1 minus tan square x is multiplied with the numerator value. So what happens? Tan 4x equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. So again these two values are multiplied each other. Again in denominator what is remaining? 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. So you should expand this value. A minus b whole square formation. A square means 1 square plus this is tan square whole square is tan ratio 4x. Next minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So next step you write answer 4 tan x. Next 1 minus tan square x divided by, next step is answer. So 1 minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x plus tan ratio 4x. The next step is answer. Understanding all. Note down fast. Understanding all. Note down fast. So here in this problem we used tan 2x is 2 times. Note down fast. Next one, note down fast. Next one, 24. Cos 4x it is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. It is very simple problem, you understand. It is very simple problem. So you take cos 4x. So cos 4x can be written as cos of 2 into 2x. So we have already cos 2x formula. We have already know that cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is what? Cos 2x formulas three formulas are there. So you have to take one formula. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. So you take that formula. So 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. So here cos 2x. In x plus what is that? 2x. In x plus what is that? 2x. So same as this you write here x plus you write 2x. That's it. So 1 minus 2 into sin 2x formula. Sin 2x formula is what? 2 sin x cos x whole square. Sin 2x formula you have to take 2 sin x cos x you have to take. Sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x substituted. Then what happens? 1 minus 2, this is 2 square, 4 sin square x into cos square x. Now simplify this. 1 minus 2 into 4, 8 sin square x cos square x. So that is our solution. Cos 4x. So still one more problem is there. We will discuss in next class. So practice each and every problem number of times. So read the formulas every day. You read the formulas every day. These formulas are very useful in second PUC also. In second PUC, these formulas used in differentiation, integration, in other inverse trigonometric functions also. Okay. Same. Thank you all.